Deep inside a beautiful green jungle, everything felt safe. But not for long. The bushes began to shake. The ground felt different. Even the wind seemed to hold its breath. Someone, very dangerous, was coming. Out of the shadow came the most feared creature in the entire jungle.
Everyone knows who I am. This jungle belongs to me. Run if you want. You cannot hide forever.
One look, and every little animal froze with fear. Soon, the cobra found something wonderful. A giant old banyan tree, perfect for a king. Or so he thought.
Every single day, the cobra hunted.
Right beneath the tree stood a tiny ant kingdom.
Ant Queen, calm, gentle. This is our home. We built it together. We will protect it together.
The tiny ants looked at their queen. No one stepped back, not even one. Charge! The ants rushed forward. They climbed, they bit, they never stopped.
Ouch! What are you doing? Get off me! Stop!
The mighty king had never faced teamwork.
The King Cobra had great strength, but the ants had something even stronger. Unity, kindness, courage. Because when good hearts stand together, even giants must step aside. And that's why, little explorers, always remember, no one is too small to make a big difference. We'll see you in the next jungle adventure.